Welcome dear students, and today let us see the last problem of this third exercise of the polynomials chapter and the fourth question, that is the last question of the third exercise. And here they have given a cubic ordered polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Already we have discussed in our previous videos. Third degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. And now here actually what is the question? We have to verify 1, -1 and 3. They have given 3 values. We have to verify these 3 values are the zeros of this cubic polynomial or not. They are the zeros of, whether they are zeros or not, that we have to verify, first one. And secondly, we have to find the relation between these zeros and also the coefficients of this cubic polynomial, just like the previous questions. But in the last classes we have discussed about the quadratic polynomial, relation between the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial and also zeros of the quadratic polynomial. But at present this is the cubic ordered polynomial. So let us see. First of all, how do we verify whether the given values are zeros of this cubic polynomial or not? And first of all, here what is the first one? Let us take this polynomial as, let p of x, let us take this whole polynomial as p of x, polynomial of x is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Now just you have to put the values of 1, -1 and 3. These 3 values we have to substitute in place of x. Then if the result is 0, then you can say that they are zeros of this cubic polynomial. Let us substitute one by one. First of all, let us take first value 1. If x is equals to 1, then what is p of 1? Just we are going to substitute the value in the given cubic polynomial. This is x cube, but what is x? 1 cube minus 3x square, that is 1 square, minus x 1 and plus 3. Just to simplify the results, 1 cube is 1 minus, first of all, whenever you get this type of brackets and one multiple which is outside of the bracket, first of all you have to simplify the bracket, otherwise you will be confused. First simplify this bracket. 1 square, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1. Then that 1 into 3, 3 minus 1 plus 3. Here totally 4 values. In these 4 values we have 2 negative values and 2 positive values. Add negative values one side and add positive values one side. And first of all you take positive values. Plus 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1 4, and minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Or simply you do like this, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. It is easy way because we are getting similar values and the result is 0. Yes, therefore 1 is 0 of p of x. 1 is 0 of p of x. We have verified, we got 1 is a 0 just, and next to go to -1. Yes, now if x is equals to -1, then p of -1, what is p of x? X cube, but x value is -1, so -1 cube minus 3x square minus 1 square minus x, but what is the value of x? Minus, see already I have told you in our previous videos, whenever you get a value is in negative and the symbol which is outside of the bracket also is negative, when you are getting 2 negative symbols, then immediately you take the value which is in negative should be taken in brackets to avoid the confusion. And coming to the next, plus 3. Yes, simplify this. This is -1 cube. -1 cube. -1 into -1 into -1. Whenever the exponent is odd, for even numbers, for negative numbers, if the base is negative number, and exponent is odd number, then the Base always gives negative value. And 1 to the power of anything is 1, but negative power is odd number, so you get negative number again. And minus 3, first of all, already we have discussed in the previous step. Simplify this bracket first. Minus 1 square. What is minus 1 square? Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. This whole result gives 1. 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3. 3 into 1, 3. And it is minus 3. And minus into minus plus 1 and plus 3. So just like the previous question, so we got similar values, but minus 1 plus 1, minus 3 plus 3. So 0. Therefore, what is substituted? Minus 1 is substituted in the polynomial. So minus 1 is 0 of p of x. And coming to the last value, that let us verify, let us check whether 3 is a 0 or not. If x is equals to 3, then p of 3 is equals to x cube, 3 cube. I have not taken bracket. Sir, we have taken for every number bracket, but why did you take here bracket? You can question me. But whenever the base is in positive, you no need to take. But try to make it as habit. You please take a bracket 3 cube and minus 3x square, that is x square, minus x minus 3 plus 3. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Simplify this bracket first. Don't multiply 3 into 3 first of all. First of all, you have to simplify this bracket. You get some result. That result should be multiplied by this 3. And then what is 3 square first? What is 3 square? 3 3 is 9. And 9 3 is 27. But it is minus, so minus 27. And minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 minus 27 plus 27. We got 0. So therefore, what is substituted? 3 is substituted. 3 is 0 of p of x. We have checked all the three values. 1, minus 1 and 3. All the three values are zeros of this cubic polynomial. It is verified. Okay. Now let us check the relation between these zeros and also coefficients of this polynomial. Yes, let us do that. Yes, now we have completed half of the problem, half of the solution. Let us take the second part. What is the second part? We are going to verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients of this cubic polynomial. First of all, what are the coefficients? Let us see. This is the cubic ordered polynomial. Let us compare with the standard form. What is the standard form? The standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the cubic polynomial, standard form of the cubic polynomial. Yes, by comparing the given polynomial with standard form, we get, what do we get? Let us take the coefficients, because we must know the coefficient, because we are going to verify the relation between the coefficients and the zeros of the cubic polynomial. We have checked the three zeros. Now let us write the coefficients. Come on. Ax cube. What is the coefficient of x cube? No coefficient, therefore a is equals to 1. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 3, means b is minus 3. Next, what is the coefficient of x? No coefficient, means here minus 1, isn't it? Okay. And what is the constant? That is d is 3. We have taken the coefficients. Now let us verify the relation. Yes. First of all, take the sum. What is the sum of the three zeros? That is alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is called a gamma. Now we got three zeros. Say alpha, beta, gamma. We say first root, second root, third root. First zero, second zero, third zero. Alpha, beta, gamma. I just substitute 1 plus beta. Beta means -1 plus gamma is +3. +1 -1 gets cancelled. You get the result is 3. Means sum of the zeros result is 3. Do we get the same according to the standard formula? And according to the formula, what is the formula? That is minus b by a, alpha plus beta plus gamma. The sum of the roots, the sum of the zeros of a cubic polynomial is minus b by a minus b. What is the value of b? Just check. -3. In the formula we have minus, and b also is in negative. Minus. That's why I have taken bracket. By a, 1, minus into minus plus, that is 3 by 1 is 3. Yes, we got sum of the zeros is 3, and according to the formula also is 3. Therefore, it is verified. Sum is verified. Let's go to sum of the product of the different roots. What is the next one? Sum of the products of the different roots, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That is, what do we get? Let us see. Alpha beta, take alpha as 1, beta, and this is gamma. Just I am substituting the values. Alpha, beta and gamma. 1 minus 1, 3. Yes, let me find here. Alpha 1 into beta -1 plus beta -1, and gamma is 3 plus gamma 3 into alpha is 1. Just to simplify the results, plus into minus, 1 into 1, 1, minus into plus minus, 1 3 is 3 and 3 1s are 3, plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, and the result is -1. And according to this, sum of the products of the individual roots is -1. Now check the formula. But actually, what is the formula? The formula is c by a. What is c? Constant. Already you got it. C is x coefficient, that is -1 by a. What is a? 1. So -1 by 1 is -1. So -1 is verified. We get same results. So it has been verified. And coming to the last formula, that is the sum of the product. The sum of the product of the roots. Directly the product of the zeros. What is the product of the zeros? Let us see. Product means alpha, beta into gamma. Product alpha into beta into gamma. What is the product? Let us substitute the values alpha, beta, gamma. 1 into -1 into 3. Plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. We got -3. And according to the formula, what is the formula actually? The formula is minus d by a. That is minus d by a. Formula is minus d. What is d? Here d is the constant. According to the standard form of cubic polynomial, d is the place of constant. What is constant? 3. By a, what is the value of a? 1. That is x cube coefficient. And the result is -3. And -3, -3. Hence, verified the relation also. In this question, we have two parts. It is one of the important question. It is one of the important essay questions you can expect in the annual examination. In each and every examination, you can expect. Very important, my dear students. You please practice this sum, and also the same model example problem is there in your textbook. Once find out and practice it. It's very important. And let's continue the next question.